Welcome to Mortgage Minute Monday. My name is Lisa Baxter, loan officer with First Community Mortgage, and I'm here with Tria Kreitzer, the owner of the Joe Team of Compass. How you doing, Tria?
Great, Lisa. You?
Doing well, thank you.
Excellent.
So we're having issues as we thought we would with inventory, which poses new creative ways to do things, right?
Yes, and so one beautiful way for people to get into a home that doesn't quite fit their needs currently of how the home is configured or updated is
Bedrooms, bathrooms.
to do a renovation loan.
Mm-hmm.
So actually looking at a price point a little bit lower than your max, but then building in that renovation loan portion,
Right.
so you can make a home into what you really want it to be.
Absolutely.
And that way you get to customize things as well.
Mm-hmm.
And you are so adept at those renovation loans.
We love to do those.
Yes.
Those are a lot of fun.
So definitely don't rule out things just because you're not seeing exactly what you want.
Have the vision. Open
Yes,
it up.
exactly. And make it what you want, and we can help you do that. So Lisa and her team will help you find the perfect loan, and we'll help you find the perfect home. Have a great week.
Take care.